Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah man, the channel active viewers and subscribers, I think physical. Jaden Chase are bringing the latest in entertainment and dancehall news. Remember man, I'm a reminder to know to click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and a comment on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers, dancehall music has had a long history of endorsing or endorsement with different brands and different products. Remember, Bounty say yo the girl them have the shape and them have the figure. Them remind him of the Benz, the Lexus and the Beamer. You know what I mean? Endorsement of different cars. Beanie do it as well. Whole heap of other big names in the dancehall music do it as well. But Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, me that say I one of the most influential dancehall artists to influence any brand or any fashion statement in these later generations viewers and subscribers. I remember in the early phase of Vybz Kartel career when him say yo jersey and the baseball cap to match it, jersey, and jersey became the fashion statement in a dancehall music at that point in time viewers and subscribers. And Vybz Kartel never stopped it there. So after that I remember when Vybz Kartel say yo straight jeans and fitted. Even the way the G said fitted, it was fitted, but the way the G changed the wordplay, I mean, tell you, say, that became a fashion statement as well, viewers and subscribers. New era, ship a portion to cap in the island. I not tell you. I ask him, I tell him, say, a portion to cap, new era, ship in the island, viewers and subscribers. And Vybz Kartel never stop it there, so. He moved forward again and said clocks. And we all know what was the end result of that, viewers and subscribers. Not only did sale of the Clarks shoe go through the roof, the price go up as well. Yeah, even the price go up through the roof, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel has been one of the most influential dancehall artists, when I say, to endorse or influence the purchase of any product in a dancehall music viewers and subscribers. Hence why Vybz Kartel was one of the first dancehall artists to start creating own line of products. Whether it be, you know what I mean, skincare or, you know, liquor, bourbon for the people and for the party people. Vybz Kartel started creating own line of products. And the reason for that was the clear influence we have in the marketplace. It was not a reason on that. And the fact that Vybz Kartel say, yo, we can influence the purchase power, or we can influence people who are purchase things for purchase a certain brand or a certain particular product, because we talk about it in our music, or we make it that much more famous, or the way we incorporate it in the line, I would say, it make people start to see it as a day-to-day item, even if they never really see it as a day-to-day item, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel realized the potential and say, alright, we're going to start making our own line of products. And even to date right now, very few dancehall artists have been able to, me that say, replicate the success of Vybz Kartel have in an endorsement. Very few artists. The brand name link up with the artists then because the potential is there. But very few artists have been able to really capitalize on it the right way. Big up Spice. She part with Vybz Kartel a whole heap. She have a wig line out there. She have only part of businesses to her name. Only part dancehall artists have them business out there in the viewers and subscribers. Whether it be farming, whether it be clothing, whether it be them have them own studio where other artists come and record tracks. Only part dancehall artists are entrepreneurs, but very few have had the success of Vybz Kartel of viewers and subscribers are the influence. For that matter, Teacher is definitely a standout artist even in a business. Talk about that, no man. Even in a business, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is a standout artist. And when I say influence, you have to talk about that too. Him influence a whole heap of other artists to make certain moves, to start align themselves with certain brands, even if the brand not start endorse you yet. Because remember when Vybz Kartel say Clarks, and I like say Clarks did call him and say, yo, Teacher, we want you endorse Clarks for it. And that's the matter. the fact that Vybz Kartel was a person who liked Clarks for himself. It's a shoe him wear. You know what I mean? Yeah, him beat the shoes them. So him I say, yo, I feel a vibe. Me I go drop the track there. And other artists start to see the move as well. And now, in this day and age, yo, your team you can't even drop your track. You can't drop your track. You can refer to a certain brand. And worse, if the track blow up and become a trending track or a big track, wherever in your island or worldwide, your team can now reach out to that brand. And right away, you know what go on? Some form of contract will be proposed. Because publicity and endorsements are something where these brands pay for. Yeah, them already have a budget. Them already have a title fee to it. It's called marketing. So, the marketing executives, once you reach out with them and them say, yo, for real, that song is a big song. People are listening to it. People are playing it to get a certain amount of streams, certain amount of purchases on different platforms. People in tune to it. And then you talk about the branding night. And you say you want to, collaborate. Whether it be as an ambassador or, you want to work with the people and make a different particular type of product. Then we link up with it. And that's the thing there. And Vybz Kartel definitely point that out in a dancehall music. So, and this is not just for internationally based artists. You can then ride on the ground, yes, so in a Jamaica and do it too. That's how Vybz Kartel prove in viewers and subscribers. So you can stay from Jamaica and the world can hear you. Whole heap of other artists do it as well. But they need also have the availability for travel. So whole heap of artists stay from Jamaica and really become prominent. Means that the world hear them sound. And love them energy and want to know who them is. But the fact that they may have the availability for just go over that country there where them hear so them song big and go perform and get that much bigger. It's different for Vybz Kartel case, because even before him did incarcerated, only a few places Vybz Kartel would have traveled to, like Europe and them places. I want to say North America was one of the places them where they want to see him the most. And one of the places where if Vybz Kartel they get the opportunity for go there and establish himself in North America, he would have even been known even more right now. Yeah, because different rappers would always appear homage. Because I tell you, Vybz Kartel have a certain style where any genre of music where a teacher decides, yo, him a go touch a goal. And in a business improves. So any product where him decide to endorse, it could have been clothing, it could have been Vybz Kartel. Where they sing a song and say, Vybz Kartel. And Vybz Kartel, them see the movement, all the box change. Vybz Kartel see the movements, viewers and subscribers, and even the box change. Them realize, yeah man, this is going to go somewhere. Recently, me say, you mix the Essa Speed with the Minute Maid. Me I look forward to see something going on. Yeah man, him say mix the Essa Speed with the Minute Maid, and me I look forward to see something going on in Minute Maid. When I'm going to change the logo, or, yo, something going to change. Before the summer done, you're going to see some form of change. In either the sales of Minute Maid, or even the product itself. Me I tell you, Vybz Kartel is that kind of influencer in a dancehall music right now, viewers and subscribers. If you agree with the sentiments, comment now, man. Point out another product of Vybz Kartel or another business or another brand or another style that Vybz Kartel has bring to the forefront in a dancehall music. Because even if it was a brand, it was a thing in a hip hop, as long as it was not thing in a dancehall music and a Vybz Kartel talk about it and they see it start become a thing, then you can mention it in the comment section as well. As I remember, fitted cap. As something Jamaicans are wear cap from Kangal days. That no man. If you like we just know about cap. If you like we just a rock new era. If you like a Vybz Kartel tell you about Clarks and fitted cap. No, that is not the point that we are trying to make. We are trying to make the point that Vybz Kartel was an influencer who make some other people start to be aware of the brand and start to want to wear it. Yeah. So that's how we are point out to the viewers and subscribers that the job of an influencer is not to create a brand. What an influencer does is influence the opinion of that brand. Meaning say because we have a certain amount of people who are in tune with what I say, they might listen to my thoughts, me can then put to their mind this particular brand or product where me into now and me I say, yo, some I feel like say to that fitting for try it out. That is the job of an influencer. So Vybz Kartel definitely one of dancehall's biggest influencers in this millennium, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Clear statement. If you agree, drop in the comment section let me know. Leave a like on the vlog for me like where you hear. Remember man, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon as well. It's not far. None of them things I tell you for doing the fire, right from the platform, right from the interface, right so. So the comment section there, so the like button there, and see the subscribe icon there. Click them. When they click the subscribe icon, the bell icon jump up. That is very important. You need to click it as well. If you click the subscribe icon and not the bell, you think not done. You need to click the bell to get active. So viewers and subscribers, still a reason again. God's a thing physical. And I'm out.